Hey, to clean the charging port in the Beats Solo 4 headphones, first of all you will need a thin and long item. The best if you actually use the plastic tool. In my case I've got the metal, but I didn't actually recommend to put anything metal inside the USB port. I'm just doing it on my own risk. And what you have to do, let me just quickly zoom in. There we go. And here is our report. And if you actually got here some mess, some pieces of the dust, and probably you cannot actually input here the USB-C cable, or it's not charging properly. So you should actually input this item on the right side, then move it to the left side like this gently, and then start with another side. And remember to do this gently and try to simply get rid of any mess that is inside. In my case, everything is fine. You know, I just buy them, they are brand new. But after like 1 year of using and not taking care of this device, definitely you will be able to find here a lot of mess. So try to do this like this, and after a few tries you will definitely remove something from this port. I will recommend you to do 10 times from the right to the left and then from the left to the right. And now you can tell me if you actually remove something from your port. But remember, if it doesn't work and you still have some issue with your port, I will highly recommend you to use the professional service. They will definitely take care of your device and repair. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.